Hey, what's up guys? In this video, I'm going to share an introduction of Excel VBA. VBA stands for Visual Basic for Applications. It's a programming language for Excel and other Office programs. The macro recorder is a very useful tool included in the Excel VBA. It records all the actions we have performed with Excel. Once we have started recording macro, the macro recorder will record all the steps in Visual Basic for Application code. It captures every move we have made, like adding some calculation or make some formatting. Then we can see the Visual Basic editor after recording the task to see how it can be programmed. And we can customize our programming code to automate the work we frequently perform. Before we can start recording, we need to enable the Developer tab. What I'm going to do is to click the File tab and click Options. So the Excel options appear, and I'm going to click the Customize ribbon. So in the main tab, we can find the Developer tab. So I check it and click OK. Now we can see that the Developer tab appears at the top, and we can make a very simple example. In this case, I want to change the cell color of the price column to yellow and bold the font style. So I'll click Record Macro in the Developer tab, and in the macro name box, enter a descriptive name for the macro so that we can find it quickly in the future. For example, highlight yellow and bold, and then click OK. Now I'm going to perform the task. So I will highlight the price column and then change it to yellow, and then bold the font style. So we can go back to the Developer tab and click Stop Recording. Now we can click Visual Basic to open the editor to see what happens. So there is a function inside, and we can see that our actions are recorded as code syntax. The first line performs the selection of range, and this group changes the format, and the final line changed the font style. Once we have got that function, we can use that function if we want to perform the task again. So now we hop over to our spreadsheet and do the same task. So I have another spreadsheet here, but it is not formatted as we want. Now I'm going to click the price and then click macros. We can see that the function we have defined. So I click run. We can see that only part of the cells we want are formatted. This is because when we record the macro, since the code has been defined as the range we select only, so the macro will only run on the cell within the range. So if we add an extra row to the range, the macros will not run the process on the new row. So what I'm going to do is to make a little change to the code to alter the selection range more intelligent. So I will go back to the Visual Basic editor and change the line that performs selection. So I will remark the original line, and then I will change to range active cells, comma, active cell dot n, open bracket, XL down, close bracket, select. Now we can go back to our spreadsheet and perform the task again. So I will click the first cell, macro, and run. So all the cells in that column are formatted as we want now. In order to make it more convenient to use in the future, we can add a ribbon for that function, so that when we click on it, we can perform the task again very quickly. So I'm going to click the file type, and then click options. The Excel options appears, and I'm going to click customize ribbon. So at the end, I will click a new tab, and I will change the link to my VBA. Okay. My VBA group, and select a icon. So in here, we can select macros in the choose commands from macros, and highlight the macros we have recorded and customized it. Click add, and I'll click rename to change the icon to, for example, a yellow icon. Click OK. OK again. So my VBA tabs and the ribbon appears. Now we can take another sheet and test our ribbon. So I'm going to change to another sheet called ribbon, and we're going to perform a similar task. So I'll click the first cell of this column, and then click our ribbon. So all the cells are formatted well now. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If this video helps, please give me a thumb up. See you.